I'm Ahava Leibtag, constant learner of all things healthcare and content marketing, and I am very excited to introduce this new video series to you. A couple of months ago, I was hanging out with my really good friend Ann Handley, and she pointed out to me, she said, right before you're about to drop an Ahava truth bomb, you say, listen, let me tell you something. And I laughed when I heard it. I was sort of horrified, but we decided to lean into it with this show because I have a lot of Ahava truth bombs that I want to drop. So there are about 4 things that we hear come up over and over again when it comes to content and healthcare. And we really want to be able to give you bright ideas that you can use in your next meeting. They're going to help you solve some of the knottiest problems that healthcare content marketers are facing right now. So here are the 4 categories that we're looking at. We would love to hear from you if there are things that you want to know within these 4 categories, or maybe there's other stuff that we should be talking about. First of all, anytime there's a channel update, like Instagram, why did you destroy my algorithm? Listen, Instagram, let me tell you something. So that's going to be one thing we're going to cover. We're also going to cover how you should spend your marketing dollars, because there are definitely ways that you can use content and reuse it to make it not a one and done type of spend, but something that you can atomize and really supercharge throughout the year. The third thing that we're going to be talking about is evolving language, because our Gen Zers are really mixing up the way that we talk, and how should that affect the way that we write our content. And the last thing that we are going to be talking about in our healthcare content marketing things you should know is new solutions to the same old problem. So when a stakeholder comes to you and says, I want to use jargon because I want to sound smart, what do? We hear these kinds of things come up all the time. Let's try to solve them once and for all. So listen, let me tell you something. I'm super excited to be here. Send us your ideas. Send examples of your greatest work. We want to showcase those as well. And I'm excited to go on this journey, overused term, with you. See you next time.